Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our review of the Filtrete MPR 1900 filter. Make sure to watch all the way to the end of the video to know our final verdict if this filter is worth it. Filtrete MPR 1900 filter overview. Filtrete MPR 1900 filter prides itself in its 1900 MPR with a MERV 13 rating, which is relatively high compared to other filters. The higher the MPR, the higher the amount of microparticles such as pollen, dust, and allergens captured. Therefore, you can be assured of clean, allergen-free air in your home. Another feature is the Bluetooth tracking sensors of the filter. The HVAC system in your home is connected via Bluetooth to your phone. This helps you keep track of the condition of your filter. This is a great feature since it eventually becomes dirty and doesn't work optimally. So if you are aware of the filter's condition, you can change it whenever necessary for continuous clean air. What we liked: excellent filtration efficiency, easy to set up, easy to track. What we did not like: it is expensive compared to other filters. Features: 3-in-1 filter technology. The Filtrete MPR 1900 filter has a washable, electrostatic polypropylene material. The polypropylene material surpasses the normal fiberglass material of normal filters since it can withstand outdoor conditions and has better filtration. Attracts and captures microparticles. Due to its electrostatic nature, the filter acts as a magnet. This is where the microparticles are attracted to the filter, where they are then captured. This is a very efficient way of capturing both microparticles such as bacteria and pollen and large particles such as pollen and dust. Filtrete Home App. Filtrete brand has an app that is compatible with both Apple and Android devices. It is easy to install, and when installed, it is easy to connect to the filter through the Bluetooth sensors. Through this app, you will get notifications that will remind you to replace your filter. In case you are unable to track the filter, you need not worry since you will know when to change the filter through the alerts. Who is the Filtrete MPR 1900 filter best suited for? The Filtrete MPR 1900 is best suited for anyone who wants allergen-free and clean air in their home. Verdict: should you buy the Filtrete MPR 1900 filter? The Filtrete MPR 1900 filter's price is on the higher end, so if you are not willing to spend a substantial amount of money on a filter, then this filter is not an option for you. What gives the Filtrete MPR 1900 filter an edge over other filters is its high MERV rating, which gives it an excellent filtration efficiency compared to normal filters. Thus, you should buy the Filtrete MPR 1900 filter for efficient air filtration in your home. Thanks for watching.